Hey folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al trying to find my glasses again. There we go. Today is an important public service message dealing with Southern Ohio prepping. Southern Ohio prepping. Now go check out his site, and it's in his description below on special news that was broadcasted on July 28th. I can't read my handwriting sometimes. 2021. Okay? And what you want to do for old Uncle Al is send some money. Everybody, if they send $3, if 100 people send $3 to Dave's PayPal in his description below, check out his live streams and videos. If we get 100 people to send $100 today and $100, $3 today through PayPal, or you could send some money through Cortney's and Dustin's GoFundMe for Dave, so he can get an air conditioner finally. Because right now he's sweating out his brains, and sooner or later he should get a nice cold spell. But that I think is going to be about another 2 to 3 weeks. So go help Dave at Southern Ohio Prepping. Do something good for your fellow man. Unlike the Canadians up there, like Hubble's cat screaming about the God and worshiping a golden calf. And they're like, backs, backs, backs. Yeah, great. It sounds like the high priestess before Moses came down the hill and threw the stones at the Israelis trying to flee. So you know what happened to them. They got stuck in the wastelands for 40 years, folks. Don't make the same mistakes as Canada. Okay? So help out a good fellow Christian and a man. Help any man. And send $3 to Dave at Southern Ohio Prepping, or go send money to the GoFundMe account set up by Dustin and Cortney. Help them out, okay? And do something good. Catch you later, folks, and you have a nice day. See you later. Bye.